A speech on discipline. Good morning, teachers and my friends. Welcome to the start of yet another fabulous day. Today, I have been entrusted upon to talk about how discipline is the key to success. The word discipline has different meanings for different people, but the end result expected is the same. The universally desired outcome of discipline is to have order in one's life. A disciplined mindset helps us to do just that. Now, look at today's assembly. We gathered here on time. I am addressing you all without being interrupted. We all are looking perfect as all of us have turned up in our complete school uniform, comfortably seated in this clean auditorium. This ongoing assembly of ours is a direct reflection of a disciplined attitude. Such an outlook will more than less assure control over various life aspects, be it health, work, academics, or our social standings. It's a well-known fact that with control comes confidence, which further facilitates handling of situations. A disciplined life is always well rewarded. Studying on time assures composed and relaxed mind frame during exams. Getting ready, reaching on time, and finishing chores as assigned adds to our credibility. Eat, sleep, meditate, work out. Such vital activities, when influenced by discipline, contribute to a meaningful life. So, I too will adhere to discipline and stop here with the golden, globally agreed upon sentence. Discipline is the key to success. Thank you, everyone. Nature, the best teacher. Nature, in all its beauty and grandeur, is forever teaching us. Flowers, swinging merrily with bees hovering over them, tell us that when we share, the sweetness increases. The forever moving ants point out that hard work is the key to prosperity. The rose teaches us that one should accept others with their shortcomings, as no one is perfect. It also reminds us that fragrance always stays in the hand that gives the rose. So one should never shy away from doing good. Sunset and sunrise are perfect examples of how in life nothing is constant, and also that beginnings and endings both can be beautiful. Rain and sunshine fall on everyone alike and teaches us to be unbiased. Just as a river finds her way through all odds, we too should keep striving to find our paths. A tree is a forever giver and teaches us to keep spreading love, to be grounded but keep growing. Online shopping. Shopping from the comfort of our home and payment made virtually or at the doorstep is known as online shopping. This kind of shopping has seen tremendous rise in the last 2 years on account of the pandemic. It's definitely a big reliever to shop online as we can compare prices with different providers, return products and enjoy benefits of discounts, promotions and cashbacks. But with all these perks come some serious shortcomings too. Online shopping can leave a very bitter taste at times. There are forever doubts of the wrong product getting delivered, which starts the rather long and annoying return process. Online payment frauds add misery to this. If prepaid, there are cases that the products have never reached the customers. Moreover, the most important drawback experienced is that it lacks personal touch. The thrill of visiting shops, handling the products, soaking in the shopping frenzy, being among people, interaction with a smiling sales team, the planning of shopping trips, the meeting of friends for shopping, the family shopping trips, the discussions, arguments, excitement, laughter, and more is alien to online shopping. Thus, given a chance, I always grab the opportunity to shop in person.